Today, consumers expect a consistent experience no matter how and where they reach out to their financials. The consumer interacts with the bank in multi-channel. At each one, she identifies herself differently. It could be the branch where she uses her social security number, or in the call center using My Voice is My Password. As channels evolve, the consumer's presence fades away, and with the rapid increase in channels, banks, card issuers, and retailers will soon be losing control. Every channel has its own anti-fraud solution, with no learning between the models. Siloed anti-fraud strategy is not going to deliver in today's day and age. We need to find the right way to integrate all users' activities under a single identity, which will be tracked and profiled within the same risk model and risk engine. In the market, our customers are talking about their struggle to support the consumer in this multi-channel environment. According to Adaptive Authentication 2017 Voice of the Customer, it is clear that banks are exploring omni-channel possibilities and are looking for RSA to lead in this area. Gartner's Market Guide for Online Fraud Detection also states that by 2020, 90% of online fraud detection systems will incorporate omni-channel detection strategies, mentioning fraud hubs and alignment of policies across channels.